walking into the Academies at Englewood on the first day of school. I was a little nervous, but also very excited to meet so many kids from all over Bergen County. What really struck out to me was how diverse this school was. I had the opportunity to meet kids from all over the world and, really represent each culture in all of my classes.
The one thing I love about the Academies at Englewood is that it's such a wide, very tight community. There are people of different backgrounds that you could ever imagine. There are students that are immigrants from different continents of the world, and a lot of them are from very drastically different financial backgrounds. But despite these differences, there's still a sense of community that intertwines these different demographics. And there are so many smaller societies and extracurricular activities that you could be part of and call each other family and call the place home.
At the end of the day, what made the choice for me was the different experiences I had at AE. I wanted to go somewhere where I could grow as much as a person, as much as I learned through my studies. What makes you win at the end of the day is how you apply yourself wherever you are. So that was what made me feel confident in my choice of AE.
It has provided me the experience of an opportunity to connecting with like-minded students and finance-oriented students to potentially partner with them and develop my own business. During my sophomore year, I actually started my own jewelry business with a fellow student at the Academies. As a sophomore, you don't think about these things, but learning accounting and marketing, I've been able to really apply that knowledge to my business.
My freshman year, me and my group, it was freezing cold, but we still pretended that we were soldiers and acted things out. We all ended up getting cold and getting sick, but it was one of my most unforgettable moments here because I met some great people that I probably wouldn't have gotten that close to otherwise.
The Innovator project is an interesting project because the students are assigned to actual engineering roles. A hardware engineer, a software engineer, and an electrical engineer. It's probably the first time that they actually act as an engineer within an engineering course.
The most interesting project I've ever done in my time at Academies at Englewood was actually designing a freight elevator with a group of 3 other juniors at the time. I tested it one more time just to make sure everything was alright, and then the program failed. So I made a series of last minute changes, and we got to school the next day, and the program ran without fail, and we got 100 in the end of the day, and it was the craziest thing to have to explain to the programmer why he messed up and how I had miraculously found the solution to our problem.
The Academies at Englewood is a great place to study. It gives all of the students opportunities. If you believe in us, we will believe in you, and you will succeed. Welcome to the Academies at Englewood.